Hello, my name is Jonathan Epp. I'm a researcher at the University of Calgary Hotchkiss Brain Institute. Thanks to funding from the Alzheimer Society of Canada, my lab will be undertaking a research project aimed at understanding and developing preventative mechanisms that slow the progression of dementia in Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is associated with a number of types of brain pathology, such as the characteristic plaques and tangles, and along with this pathology, there are quite profound memory impairments that develop over time. However, the relationship between pathology and memory impairments is not very strong. Even with similar levels of brain pathology, some individuals may experience a rapid rate of cognitive decline, while others a more gradual, less severe decline. There are a number of factors that may explain this, including things such as genetics, diet, and life history. One factor that I'm interested in exploring is the role of cognitive enrichment. A number of correlational studies suggest there's a link between how cognitively active a person is and whether they are more or less protected from cognitive decline. These types of findings have indirectly led to a surge in the number of brain training apps that are commercially available and marketed towards individuals who want to improve their memory. While there is some evidence that this might be an effective approach, little is known about how to best apply brain training and how it might actually work in terms of mechanisms. These ideas are quite difficult to study in humans due to individual differences in genetics and life history. So to address this, my lab has developed a protocol to provide cognitive enhancement in a transgenic mouse model of Alzheimer's disease. And so far, we've found that this does seem to enhance the performance on a variety of memory tests. Our main goal now is to understand how this occurs. We believe from our preliminary experiments that there's an enhancement in the way different regions of the brain communicate with each other. So our next goal is to see if we can mimic this process in a way that is actually more efficient and provides a greater benefit to the individual. What we're proposing to do is provide coordinated stimulation of different regions of the brain to increase the ability of these areas to communicate efficiently. Our findings may provide an understanding of how to effectively utilize brain training, or perhaps eventually some form of neurostimulation to decrease memory loss in Alzheimer's disease.